Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday, September 13th, 2025. We are here at the Derelicts to catch some cars. Let's start with this beautiful Camaro here. Super Sport. He's got the club. Beautiful car.
Bottom's out now pretty much. Like you hit a good pothole. And it's got that Earl style fork, which is weird because when you brake they rise.
So I guess he's, you know, his truck.
And I can do that for like 160, 180. I just got to get rid of my
This is a cool truck. Want to check out something interesting? Let me know if you catch it. What do you guys think? Chevy? Huh? Is it a Chevy or a Ford? I think this guy's just messing with people. Look at this bad boy. It says super stock. Look at that. I don't think there's anything stock about this car. This car's for sale. Pretty nice. Let's keep on going over here. We got another car for sale over here. 1960 El Camino. Pretty nice. Let me try to get that information. Oh, here it is. So here's all the information for you guys. Look at this. 1960 El Camino. It's got a 383 stroker. 500 miles. It's pretty new. 39,000 is the asking price. Hopefully you guys can see all the information on there. It says no lowballers. It's a nice little combo. Like that color, it's pretty nice. And check out the back. It's a cool car. Let me get these cars over here. Here we go. I keep talking with the music here. I don't know about this music. Hopefully it won't come up. Let's see here. We got the Dodge Ram right here. Look at this. Pretty cool. Ain't that cool? Get this car over here. Yes. Gotcha. It's one of my favorites right there. 1957. That's Danny. Look at that. Huh? Airbags. We got the hardtop over here. Look at this car. Trying to get around. There's a lot of people. Look at the inside. Isn't that cool? Look at this doggy. Here we go. Got the newer Corvette over here.
20, 30,000 on the sticker now.
Look at that, renting your own car, man. It's a cool Chevelle. '80s Iron See? The T-tops? Always like that. Cool feature. Not too many cars with T-tops. $1965. See what else we got.
What do you like more than
Gears Engineering. Looks like Volkswagen car clip here. Let's check out this old window here. Oh, before that, look at this. Bubble top Bel Air. It's a nice car. Let's see this car. Look at that engine.
They're all like 260, 270 horse.
Oh yeah, let's check this out. I'm not messing around here. Look at that. Huh? Those 34s or 48s? 52s.
Yeah, they're all 50s and 52s.
52s, look at that. Got enough horsepower for you? Yeah, nice. Got these cool wheels.
This car? This car makes about 260.
What are these little sticks right here? Anybody know? Semaphores, huh? That's cool. Must be a 58 or 59. I think that's the last year that they put those semaphores. Anybody that doesn't know, these are actually the turn signals right here. This little lever pops out and it has a little light on it. Little German engineering. It's cool technology back then. It's a nice convertible. All right, let's see what else we got here. Cool bus. This Ford truck. Oh, here we go.
67, I think, maybe.
Now, no, I mentioned this a lot on my videos, but I like music just as anybody else, but the YouTube algorithm doesn't really like it. Got a lot of copyright stuff. And I slapped in the hand a couple times, so that's why I try to ramble on these videos when the music comes on. Some of you guys are probably like, dude, just be quiet. But it's the only way I can put the video. Look at this shaker. Ah, look at that. Oh, here we go.
So you got the shaker all done. What's really good?
Brake lights work. Alright, let's keep moving. Look at the tires on this Camaro Z28. Let me show you guys right now. Is that enough traction for you guys? Ooh, look at this cool truck. It's all original.
It was misty.
Classic. I'm gonna show you guys this Nova here. Yeah. Let's see here. What do we got here? Electric? Is it electric or no?
Electric? No.
It's not an EV?
No, not an EV. Just a blown big block Chevy. Usual stuff.
Look at that. Let me show you guys how serious this guy is. Pretty cool, right? There we go.
But the minute you start climbing, it gets mad at you.
C7, C6. I don't know. I'm more. Oh, that one.
Yeah. That's a 75. It's actually his.
Let's go around here. Let me show you guys this Riviera. It's pretty cool. It's got a cool paint job on it.
Comes over and kicks me in the ass. Come on, Dad. I'll confirm her, but everything. I got 2 doors. Where have you been working? You been busy, you said?
Nice. I'm sure it's
Pretty cool, right?
You ever have one of these?
Hey, my grandfather had a green one.
Those first thing I found out that you were in right?
He stopped at the gas station. It's like, I better check the oil and pots.
It's a nice trunk, huh? Good job
These are pretty cool cars.
with the lights and everything.
Yeah,
Nice car.
it's only money.
All
A
right.
lot.
It's only money, the gentleman said. Gotta enjoy it. Now I gotta talk because of the music. It's all right though. Got a 1964 Chevy Impala Super Sport. Laying low. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? Oh, we got hydraulics here. Nice little setup by Red's Hydraulics. It's a nice car. Alright, let's see what else we got. Uh-oh. Let's see here, what else we got? Hopefully we didn't catch that. Check out this 1959 Chevy Impala. It is for sale. Oh, we got a motorcycle gang here. A lot of accessories on this car. It's color combo. Now we got power windows. Try to get you guys the information. Get you guys the phone number here. I don't know if you could see. 949-306-4850 if you're interested. It's a really nice car.
Oh, wow.
See what else we got going on. It's Ford truck. It's a, I want to say it's like a root beer brown. Hopefully you guys can see that. Two-tone, that's nice. This is a nice truck. Let's see here. We got maybe 1980, I don't know. 93, 95. Anyways, let's see what else we got. Oh, I wanted to ask you guys. Let me know what your favorite car is. Maybe I can focus more on those cars. Also, let me know if you're looking for a car. There's a lot of cars for sale. Not necessarily here, but maybe next time we go to Pomona or something. Some of the other swap meets. And get you guys some info. Anybody looking for a car? Well, I'm looking for a car too, but let me know if there's any convertible Impalas out there that you got for sale. Check it out. We got the problem child over here. Let's see what else we got. 1948 Style Master. And we got this cool Kia here. Is it a classic already? What do you guys think? Check out this machine over here. Show you guys the engine a little bit. What do you guys think? Pretty interesting, huh? Right-hand drive. This car reminds me of the Monsters. Anybody remembers that show? The original one? This is a Fast and the Furious car. Right? It's a nice Charger. You got this truck for sale here, Ford pickup, 1933. Here's the information. Want to give them a call? I'll show you guys the interior. It's a V8. Pretty nice.
My friend's little sister.
Got a 1951 convertible here. Chevy Deluxe here. It's a cool steering wheel. I'll show you guys the back. It's nice.
Graduated Grosse Pointe South a year later, right? So imagine you're 18 years old, graduated.
I've seen this one before. Look at the doggy. Car's $6,000. $1967 Corvette. Split window. See that? Let me show you the difference. Pretty cool, right?
In 23, that was the 70th anniversary of the Corvette coming into production.
See what else we got.
That's right. Bill back and go Exactly.
Bathroom remodel.
Got a GMC truck here for sale, 1968. Try to get you guys that info. Anybody interested in a truck? Let's get the interior. Looks like a newer interior. Let's check out this cool truck over here.
Yeah. I'm gonna go way fast too.
Love that steering wheel. Got the Karate Kid car over here, Plymouth. Huh? You remember the original Karate Kid? Wax on, wax off. Daniel, son. This car is all original here. It's got the Paraglide on it. Paraglide transmission. This Nova sounds like it has an Ellis motor in it. All right, let's see what else we got. Ranchero, 1957. Look at this bad boy. We have 40 miles to the gallon here. It's a hybrid. Look at this Cadillac. And try to get this fan favorite 1962 Chevy Impala convertible. See what we got here. Isn't that nice? Just cruising it. Alice motor. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we got over here. Got the Cougar here. I don't see too many Mercuries. What do you want to go camping? Let's check out this Cadillac right here. Look at this. El Dorado. Let me show you guys where the exhaust is. What do you guys think? It's a luxury. Imagine cruising this when it came out. Hey, we don't have a steering wheel. What do you guys think of this license plate? Spotlights. Or dummy lights, as they call them.
One of the orders that I got, actually, I'm not allowed to kick it.
Oh, here we go. On another edition of That's Your Neighbor. folks, I think that's all I got for you today. It was a little shorter than other times, but check out this Camaro. I don't know if I showed it to you guys. It's for sale. RS. Cool blue. It's actually blue, not black. I'll get you guys the info right here. Oh, there you go. You can see the blue. If you guys are interested, give them a call. I'll show you guys the bottom. Real cool. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, let me know what cars you guys like. And also, if you guys are looking for a car, check it out. Hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you soon.